Kung Food Official. Add onion, garlic, and oil in pan. Fry, fry, fry. After golden brown, add tomato. Add little water. Whistle for 5 minutes. After whistle, steam release, then open the lid. Oil should be separate. Add spices. Red chili. Curry powder. Coriander seeds, crushed. Cumin seeds, crushed. Turmeric powder. Spices mix in oil. Mix and fry. Add little bit water. Add minced meat, mutton or beef. Mix well and fry. Add full cream, yogurt. Mix well. Add potatoes, cut in thin slices. Mix, 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 mix. Add salt to taste, and mix well. Add half cup water, and whistle for 1 minute. Garnish with green coriander, ginger and green chilies. Like, share, subscribe. Kung Food Official.